Hello good people, my name is Taku and today I'm here to show you some of the trades that I took this week. So the first trade that I took, I think it was it on Monday? I think it was a Monday or Tuesday. I took a US30 trade. So let me tell you exactly how I took it. So you can see that in the US30, like we've been having like a bullish movement from as long as I can remember, right? So I drew this trend line from this very bottom week up to all of those weeks that happened because of like Trump's meltdown recently, right? It crushed the market like this, so we had to redraw the main trade line to put in these 2 weeks right here. So that is the first thing that I did, and the market is still bullish, and we had all of this happening as well. As you can see, some of the trades that I took in the previous weeks as well. So I'm here to focus on this trade that I took recently, right? So I drew this trade line because I'm a very technical trader, so I always make sure that I draw my trade line. So you see that I can't draw my trade lines like this because like we had a manipulation here, so that means that we have to come and draw our trade lines there as well. Right, so this is what I did, right? And all I was waiting for the market to do was for the market to open with great momentum and to break through this through this trend line, right? And once that happens, I was then looking for a pullback, right? So I can then scale down to my 1 hour time frame, right? So once the market broke, I was looking for the market to show me bullish sentiments, of which it did, right? And then it went up and then it came back to retest. So what did it retest? It came back to retest this order block right here, because like we broke the structure here. Let me just draw a little thing here, right? So we broke the structure and we created what? An order block here. So I was waiting for price to come back to this order block, right? After price comes back to this order block, I was looking for further like bullish momentum, right? So that I'll enter the market. And once I saw these candles, I was like, yeah, let me enter. So I entered here and I closed all the way here. Why did I close there? Because the end of the trend line here was here, right? So it was quite logical for me to say this is the highest high, so let me close off my trades here, right? And then it wigged out and came back. But you can also see that what's happening here is another potential for me to enter another trade, because like it came back and retested, right? It came back, bounced off this high, right? And it came back and retested the same trade line and it wigged off like this. So I might be looking for selling. I might be looking to buy this market as well, if I just see how the New York session actually comes in. But right now I'm actually in another trade, and that trade is GBPJPY, and today is Thursday, the 23rd of October. So I'm in this trade right now. So I'm about to walk you through what happened as well yesterday, how I took a loss here. So like my second trade of the week was this trade, right? I took this trade as well, and the third trade was this trade, of which it was a losing trade. So let me show you how exactly it happened and why I had to take that trade. So you can see that I had trade lines like this initially, right? These were my initial trade lines. So what I wanted to see here was market breaking out of that trade line and continue going bullish. So you can see that this is like a bullish pattern called like a pendant, or maybe like a flag pattern, right? So I wanted the market to I took this trade because like the market came here at a very specific point. You can see that this was like an order block that was left here, so the market came back to retest that. That's the reason why I took this trade in the first place, right? Market came back and retested and showed like bullish sentiment. It went up and then it came back to retest, and then I entered my trade here. It was simple and perfect, right? And then I exited the trade when it hit TP, which is here, right? Exit the trade. So I was looking for my next trade now. So what happened is that I was looking for the market to break out of this channel, right? Come back to retest and then show bullish sentiment. So that is exactly what happened, right? The market broke out of this trend line, right? Continued, went bullish, and then came back to retest. So when it came back to retest, I thought it was coming back to retest to this trend line, right? And I didn't have enough patience, so I thought that maybe there's just a manipulation in the market, and then the market is going to continue going bullish, right? So the market came, but it actually didn't retest this order block, right? It missed it by like a few pips, right? And then it went up and then created a double bottom. So I was like, yeah, this is a double bottom, and the market is going to continue going bullish. So I entered my trade here and I put my stop loss like below this two double bottoms. And I didn't know that that was liquidity, because whenever you see equal lows, it's usually liquidity, right? So that is what happened. The market came back and took me out. Look at what it did. It just took me out, wigged me out, and then came back and started going bullish. So like yesterday I was out of the market, and then I was looking for the next trade the next day, right? So when I saw that the market actually then came back and started acting bullish here, I was then waiting for a moment where I can actually get back into the market as well. So I saw that this morning that the market is acting very bullish, and I was just waiting for like a bit of a pullback, right? So if you check like on the 50 minutes time frame, you can see that we had a really good pullback right back into this previous higher high, right? Previous higher high. We had a retest and we had really good candles showing us that the market is going bullish. So I entered here and the market is keep pushing up bullish. So I closed 2 positions right about here, and now I still have 2 more positions running in this trade. So yeah, that's exactly how I took the trades this week, and I'm still looking forward to maybe take one more trade on this US30 market just to see what's going on eventually. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I trade and how I see my trades, and I'm very transparent with my losses as well, I'll show you like my actual account and where I traded and how I took some losses at the end of the video. So thank you very much for listening, and please smash the like button and please consider subscribing, because it really motivates me to keep making these videos. Thank you very much. Yeah.